In professional wrestling, there are belts that are nice, and then there are belts that suck. Um, I want to take this opportunity to talk about two of my least favorite title designs, and unfortunately for me, I do own one of them. So, yeah. But the first belt I want to talk about, actually, it's not even two; it's several. But the first one I want to talk about is the WWE Divas Championship. This was a butterfly-looking belt, and my personal opinion, it was straight up bad. My friends and I have coined that the Unicorn Fart Butterfly Championship, because it's pretty much what it reminded us of. Magical unicorn, if it farts out a butterfly belt. There you go. Overall, the design of it was, it was bad. I never liked it. And for people to actually have that championship over the women's championship that they had, that's bad. That's pretty bad, in my personal opinion. The second one, I gotta say, with all the belts, that have been done, I was never really a fan of the WWE Light Heavyweight Championship. Just overall, there you go. Because overall, that belt was just a bad design. It really was. And when they took care of that belt, they got rid of that belt and put the Cruiserweight Championship in. That was actually a better idea. The Cruiserweight title, which was an idea they got from WCW, much better design, much better looking belt overall, and it was actually one of my top 5 favorite belts that they did when they merged companies. The other belt that I want to talk about, or another one of them, is the WWE Undisputed Tag Titles. Now, I'm not talking about the current day that the Bloodline has, because they have both Raw and SmackDown versions. I'm talking about the ones before that. The black strap with the copper design for the center plate, commonly known to a lot of people, myself included, as the penny tag belts. I don't know why WWE thought that was a good idea, because all of a sudden when you're hearing people say they're going for the gold, they're not going for the gold at all. The gold's on the line. The tag team gold is on the line. No, it was never on the line. It was on the line when Raw and SmackDown had their own tag titles that were the World Tag Titles and the WWE Tag Titles, yes, but not when you did that. And it's even worse because now, well, I wouldn't say it's worse, because it's now nickel and silver plated, and it's a quarter. It's gone up from a penny belt to a quarter championship. And since the Usos have all 4, they now have $1. Just saying. Just saying. Never liked it. What about the IC title? The current IC title? I would like that belt if they wouldn't have made it all black, as well as the strap. If they would have made... This is what I think they should have done. They should have kept the strap white. Had the globes have blue in them instead of black, because it's all black. And it's really bad because it's all black. If they would have made blue... If they would have made it blue, it would have been maybe about 15, 20 times better. But it's all black, and I don't like that. I really don't. I mean, the IC title, yes, it's one of the harder working belts because, let's face it, now in wrestling with the Bloodline holding the tags and the 2 main belts, everyone doesn't care about those anymore. They just care about the IC and the US, which congratulations to Seth for winning the US title last night. If you didn't see Raw, sorry, there's a spoiler. Mind you, this will be uploaded Wednesday, or possibly tonight, if I can get them up tonight quick enough. But, you know, just Cody's IC belt they brought in that one day was great. They changed it too soon. Too soon. And like I said, they should have kept it on a white strap with some blue instead of making it black strap and black paint job. Simply put. The last belt is one of the ones I own a replica of. It's kind of a really big knockoff of one of them. And that's the 24/7. No other time since the big green belt have we had a belt on a green strap. Minus the the greatest Royal Rumble. I'm not even counting that. This belt, I've been hearing rumors that Triple H wants to get rid of it, and if he does, thank God he will. Because I don't see any really big reason for why to use it. I think the 24/7 belt is a laughingstock. And let's say you go from top card status to 24/7 champion. You're a person that had a main event shot or has held a major championship before, and now you're carrying around that. There's really, you know, your career's pretty much gone after that. You'll be lucky if you get a shot on main TV. You might not, though. Bottom line. But the belt overall, it doesn't really exemplify what a champion. I mean, yes, it's round. It's got a nice side. It's got a nice center plate. You know, you can actually read champion. But the 24/7 belt really should not have actually been around. I'm not a fan of the title being how it is in WWE. Knowing that if I put that in Super Show, I can easily make it happen. I mean, hell, we did it PAX. Anyone that wanted to fight got a chance to. You know? But yeah, that design, it needs a better design. Much, much better design. But I want to know what you guys think at home. Let me know in the comment section down below. What are your least favorite championship belts? Do you agree with me on any of what I said? You know, the penny tags, the light heavyweight title, the Divas title, the 24/7 championship, and the current IC. Trust me, there's a reason why I hate the IC. That's, you know, different story. Let me know, like I said, in the comment section down below. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hopefully I will have my top 10 list. I'm still trying to get the order of it. The top 10 list of my top 10 favorite championships. We're going all companies on this one. And I'll have that for you hopefully by tomorrow, if not the end of the week. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys there in the next video.